moving straight into a little segment that we're calling Buy Local, Cook Local. On a stick, dip, stir, and sim.
My name is Kerry Ann Deo, and today I'm representing the CHAWKLIT brand, which is a local company that does all locally made chocolate products, such as a hot chocolate on a spoon. So CHAWKLIT carries a range of chocolate products. However, our most popular product is the hot chocolate on a spoon. So how it works, it's meant to be a more convenient way of our local cocoa tea. So instead of grating and boiling, this is designed to put in your hot milk and stir into any milk of your choice, so it can be dairy-free as well. So for example, for Christmas, we had our punch creme, which is white chocolate infused with nutmeg, and we have a little pipette with your white rum. We have pumpkin spice. Also for Diwali, we had our popular coconut turmeric, which is white chocolate based, and we infused it with coconut and turmeric powder. We have our classic, which is our decadent hot chocolate with marshmallows. We have our mocha, which has coffee for the coffee lovers. And we have our chocolate chai, which is to really pay homage to the authentic cocoa tea. So it has spices such as nutmeg, cinnamon, ginger, etc. So currently, CHAWKLIT is available in around 15 stores, and they could all be found on our social media at chawklit.tt on Instagram and on Facebook. We also have our own online store on the Planting Seeds platform. The link can also be found on our social media pages. And we also offer deliveries, free deliveries as well, with orders over $75. So if you are a chocolate lover fan, like I am, these are perfect for you, for your decadent hot chocolate. We have something for everyone, for coffee lovers, for kids, for those who prefer cocoa tea, pumpkin spice. We try to have something for everyone. So you have your hot cup of milk. This one is our punch creme flavor. It's white chocolate infused with nutmeg. It comes with cinnamon stick. And you place your hot chocolate spoon and you stir. And then once completely melted, you have your pipette with your alcohol. So you make your hot chocolate trini. Okay, and sip and enjoy.